welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today in this video, I'm going to be making paper spirals. So if you're new to my channel, make sure to smash that subscribe button and give this video a big thumbs up. Because if I get 100 subscribers by Christmas, I have a really exciting and fun video that I have in mind. Also, make sure to go check out my Instagram. I will link it in the description box down below, and my Instagram name will pop up right here. So now, without further ado, let's get started. So what you will need to make a paper spiral is a plate, rounded. It needs to have a round edge, some string, some scissors, a pen, and you just need any kind of paper. It can be construction paper, it can be colored paper, it can just be normal paper. It doesn't really matter what kind of paper, you just need paper. So for this craft, you only need one piece of paper. I'm going to make 3 different paper spirals, so that's why I have 3 pieces of paper. So the first step is grab your plate and turn it over on its backside like this. And you are going to put your pencil or pen, you're going to hold down the plate, and you're just going to draw a circle all the way around the plate. And you should have a perfect circle. So now what you're going to do is you're going to cut out the circle, but I'm going to fast forward that. So you should now have a perfectly round circle. So after you have finished cutting out the circle, you are just going to cut, and you're going to try to eye the length of how much you have, and you are just going to try to have that much while you're cutting all the way around. So you're trying to have the same length through the whole thing, except at the bottom, because it's going to end up as a point. So you're just going to cut all around the circle. So once you have finished cutting around the circle, it should look like this. It doesn't have to be perfect, and it doesn't have to be a perfect length the whole way around. You have now made the paper spiral, and it is a super cool little craft to do. If you want to hang it up, I'm going to show you how to do that. So you either need a hole puncher or tape. It doesn't really matter. And I'm just going to punch a hole in the middle. And then I'm going to take the string. So once you think you have enough string, you're just going to cut it. And then the hole you just made, you're going to tie. In a knot. I'm just going to tie it in a knot. That's once, and I'm going to tie it twice. So after that, you're just going to tape up it on something. You could tape it up to like a ceiling or a wall or a door. Doesn't really matter where you tape it up. And there it is, and I'm going to play a better picture of the paper spiral. So now hopefully you have gotten how to make a paper spiral. So I'm going to fast forward the 2 other paper spirals that I will be making. So I just finished making them, and they are such a cool and pretty craft. They are great decoration for Christmas or any holiday. For Christmas you could do red and green ones, and then for Valentine's Day you could do red and pink. So yeah. This is now the end of my video. I really hope you enjoyed, and if you did, please give this video a big thumbs up. Thanks for watching. Bye.